think the government is still stable? Given
No.
that
No. Our institutions are clearly abused. They are used for personal gain. They are they are um, they are used for personal gain, and we have already seen the testimony of witnesses about corruption, and there is practically nothing happening in our country. Ilang ulit ko na yan sinasabi noon na tigilan yung politika, tigilan yung pag-una ng pansariling interes kasi walang nangyayari sa ating bansa. Meron ba kayong nakikita at all na project na nakatulong sa ating bayan? Wala. In fact, we run on the platform of unity and continuity. Ang expectation noon is that there will be continuity on the projects like the build projects of the former administration at yung mga iba pa na nasimulan ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, pero wala naman tayong nakita.